Okay, so this is gonna be our plan. So the first DS Lite, it didn't have any issues, just needed a battery and it's working fine. There's not gonna be any video of that. The second DS Lite, yeah, I switched the screen for that, so it's working nice. And but this is gonna be the problem. The bronze or the retro DS Lite, it has some lower screen issues, so there is some dead pixels. So I'm trying to take it from this mint DS Lite, that lower screen. But yeah, you can see in the video that there's gonna be some problems like every step, but try to enjoy this really good video. Okay, we're gonna use this. So same thing here. Take all the screws out. The battery out. So this was working battery. And yeah, same thing as 3 Phillips screws. And also these. This one doesn't want to go off, that's fine. Same thing as here. Second slot out, and then we just supposed to every screw is out. Oh yeah, the one, I forget this one. Yeah, back cover is out, and same thing as here. Okay, that is there. Take the solder buttons out. And yeah, then there's 2 Phillips screws of the motherboard. Okay, so oh, come on. Okay, and the second one from the other side. Oh yeah, let me take this off. some kind of adhesive there. It doesn't want to go off easily. Nice. And then we just tap this open. Okay. Nice. And back to the other side. Okay. So now we have the two. So this is the unworking one, and this is the working one. Let's see if we can switch these edges. Okay, so we need to take these edges out. They're supposed to just go pretty easily. Okay, yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, it's off. Leave it there for a second. Okay, so this is the bad one, this is the good one. So we need to put it here. Okay, nice. How do we do that? What? Okay, nice. Yep, that's good. And then we put the good one here. So it was this side. Just need to find the right spot. Okay, centered nicely. Is it good? It looks okay. Let's test it in here. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now we need to put this little ribbon here. Just check how this works first. Oh, this is so tiny. No, I close it. No. Is it in? It might be. Yeah, could be okay. Okay, and now the bigger one. It's supposed to be rather easy, I hope. Yeah. Maybe it's in. Probably, yeah. Good. Okay, and now we just need to put that. So I didn't even take this off, no. Just need to put this on. This back. And all the buttons are in the right place. Then we just close it and we can try how it works. Yeah, I will close it down. Okay, so I have now this this new screen with the cable on. So let's attach this to here. So let's first take this off frame. Let's try that. And let's see how this actually goes off. I have no idea. That's usually a good start. Okay, let's see. Can I just pull it like here, maybe? It doesn't matter. Okay. Let's check. So, just like this. It's quite big. Maybe I need to take this off also. Maybe it's easier. Okay. I'll get off this touch screen. Okay, nice. Okay, it's a little bit. Oh, it's the same place. Oh. I think it's all the way up here. Okay, now it looks good. Yep, that's there. Okay, now we just attach it to its own place here. Okay, nice, it's on. And then we just turn it around. It feels good. Okay, and then I put this here. Like these little parts. Nice. Okay. That's in. That's in. Oh, is that a little bit bad there? Not. It feels okay. Kind of. Okay, let's try it on. I put it together. Okay, so the moment of truth. Does it work? Oh yeah, we need to put actually this somewhere here. This also here. Which side up it goes, I don't know. Here. Oh, but yeah, let's try. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, nice. It works perfectly. Okay, the upper screen is a little bit bad, but I don't know. Okay, so the buttons doesn't work, so let's just try to clean these up. Because there is some kind of dirt in them. Maybe this is enough, I don't know. Let's find out. And let's also clean these. Maybe check if they're... Let's check, also clean these. Why not? We're here. I'm using some IPA, isopropyl alcohol, pure, 99%. This back where it belongs. Okay, and now we close it and test it. Okay, finally, last test. Nice. Let's see. Okay, touchscreen works. Okay, good. Let's see if the buttons work. Nice. And also B, yeah. This works. What does this do? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh good. Nice. Yeah, probably I'm not gonna clean this one up, but yeah, it's working, so I'm just trying to sell it. Hello. You see my nose. Okay, so here we have the ribbon cable. Oh, what you can see that there is a crack in here. So that is the problem, there is no more continuity through that. So I completely destroyed this one. So if you need to replace those lower screens, then you need to be careful when you working with this ribbon cable. You can see this is like busted totally. But now it's working in the DSL when I put the new one. So see you in the next video.